be making old-fashioned popcorn on the stovetop. Woo! It's starting to go. Better not explode on us. No, it's still going, Kyle. Put it back on. Keep go. Put it back on. Put it back on. It's still going. I'll let you know when to stop. Yeah, it's got a lot of popping to do still. Shake it. Shake it. Shake it, shake it, shake it. Shake it, shake it, shake it. Is it seriously going to explode? Did it do that to you, Justice? Great. Let it go, Kyle. Keep on going. Keep on going. Keep it on.
Come on. Keep
it on. Keep it on there.
Put it in the back corner.
That's right. Shake it, shake it, shake it. See, now you told me, he thinks it's going to explode. Shake it.
I'm going to kill you. Follow the donut.